You get to have that power. They don't get to decide. To have the awareness and the understanding, you can let that go and experience the opposite, which is love. We try to create a dimension outside and move from this dimension to that dimension. What if it's creating it in here, or pulling it in here and creating it within the dimension we're already within, but changing where we're at? What if that's what this is all about? Becoming the dimension instead of trying to go to the dimension. Way awesome.
Yeah. This is so cool.
Oh, that one was really cool. The face right in that one.
Kind of start coming in as round, and then they kind of take their shape.
It's kind of like a Pac-Man with a divider.
There you go. Okay.
So I'm seeing what you're saying.
Yep.
What does it have to do with the bluffs?
See, that's where I'm going to, Ange, too. There's some of the bluffs.
Built a house over the portal, right? And the portal is sacred to the bluffs, and it's what brings in the I'm gonna call them entities, but I don't know that that's the right wording. The energies that feeds the bluffs and the people that live in the bluffs. It's their access point. So I think we need to move the portal and all the sacred space over there by the bluffs and the grass.
That'll help.
So that it's not being interfered with, because the building is still interfering and the electrical wires are still interfering.
And the mowing and the farming.
You all done?
Well, I think we're done.
Yeah.
Are we done, Andrew?
I think we're done.
That's on you.
Yep, we're done.
We're done.
We are done.
And they give
Very
us
quiet.
No, be quiet, did you say?
No, I said you're all very quiet.
It's kind of a cool experience.
We're gonna both stand here. We're gonna eat the nibs. Eat the nibs. And we're gonna do bubbles. That's
You
it.
have to drop a few into the water, too.
Yeah, we have to feed the water too, don't we?
I did. We are changing the free will, the force,
Thank you.
into essence, which is freedom. So freedom codes will be activated throughout the water systems.
How was it working in a collective? I mean, you joined us and we did this huge adventure that we went on, right? This 2-day adventure that all tied together, even though when we started, we didn't know how it was all going to tie together, right? So what was it like to experience that? Like, how was it for you? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you feel like you were part of the collective? Did you feel like you were the observer?
It was wonderful. It was a completion of what I believe I've been missing.
And then I agree with that. It's actually for me, very profound how simple it is.
Yeah. Yes.
We tend to wrap rules, Sarah's favorite thing in the world. We tend to wrap rules and rituals around everything that we do, and it must be thus and thus and thus.
Yeah.
And nothing of what happens on our adventures is that,
No.
and it's always, it's just simple.